Good afternoon. This is my sprint progress individual progress update. It's for Matthew Craig. Our group is Warlocks of the Beach. Alright, here is our breakdown of labor. So for this one I did the basic navigation bars. Took me like hour and a half ish to make it. I did the campaign screen. This one took me forever to do. I guesstimated about 6 hours. It was probably more. Just with like the rework I had to do because I ended up doing it twice. Didn't really like the first time I made it, so I went back and redid it again. And then I did the color scheme. It took me half an hour. Really wasn't too bad. There's like 3 or 4 colors in there I'm actually using, so we'll show that off in a little bit. Let's hop into this new feature demo. So this is the campaign screen that I made. This is the basic app bar here. This is the basic bottom nav bar, and then here is this here. We're working on actually the drawer at the moment. I want to add another category here for the character creator, but that'll be for our next sprint demo. Down here we have different things. Nothing's connected on it yet because I haven't actually hooked up any of the code since this is the individual progress update. But basically you have this list here, and it's showing off the different images and pictures. It's scrollable, has a little blur effect down here so it looks nice. Added because it was basically just cutting off here. It was a hard cut off, it looked bad, so I ended up adding a bit of a blur effect, and I think it looks pretty cool. Added this join campaign, so essentially users can either submit a join code up top, and then they can select a character that they want to join with, or optionally they can just create a new campaign here by entering a campaign name and then go in from there. So that's pretty much it. We can navigate back to home here, and there we go. So that is that. Show off the new code highlights coming over here. I'm going to show off 2 because this is a lot of what I've been working on, but technically this is part of the second sprint, so I didn't really want to show off, but yeah, I have a bunch of commits here. This is just me fixing Gradle stuff. If we go back, we have some styling fixes. I removed a lot, changed a lot. I'm using the stack here instead of the column because the stack allowed me to actually stack the different things on top of each other, and it made it easier to organize the blur effects. Coming over here, I'm going to skip some of these just because a lot of this is just like kind of Gradle stuff and bug fixing. This is a big commit that I had. All sorts of stuff. Equipment selection got a lot of changes. Race selection got a lot of changes. Specific screen got a lot of changes. Stat screen got a lot of changes. This was one of my like bigger commits, I guess. One of the ones I spent a lot more time on. I tend to have like here we go. Sorry, I'm still kind of learning VS Code commits, and then yeah. So this was me fixing UI stuff. And yeah, here we go. So that's like the campaign screen. It's called campaign screen still because I'm working on both the campaign screen and the getting the actual character creator from last semester kind of integrated with it. So I have it all in the same branch at the moment because that kind of makes sense in my brain. Coming over to Matthew testing, I think we only have a couple actual commits in here of just sort of merging everything together and adding stuff like that. So we have this one, I added some consts. That's pretty much it for that. Here it is without consts. These are pretty underwhelming. This is me making the things, or editing a bit, I think. And then this is me actually adding some of the actual color themes here, and creating the bottom nav bar in the first commit, and the bottom app bar, and the main drawer. And then from there, the other commits were basically me just kind of going back and editing them somewhat, but these really weren't bad at all to make. There we go. That's pretty much it. Yeah, I have a lot of hours just trying to get our D&D character creator integrated with it. I'm working on right now getting a river pod kind of set back up to it, but that'll be for sprint 3 mostly for me to show off. That's pretty much it. We have breakdown of labor. That's got the new feature demo, new code highlights, and that's it. Thanks for watching.